This is a Dell Latitude E6420 XFR keyboard replacement. Start by shutting your computer down and removing the battery if you've not done so already. Then go ahead and flip your computer over. Open the docking station port, and there's 2 screws underneath of that cover for the keyboard. Remove those 2 screws on the bottom. There's arrows pointing to it with writing that says keyboard screws. Just remove those 2 screws. Go ahead and flip your computer back open. Open up the screen. There's a plastic cover underneath the keyboard. There's 2 screws holding it down. Remove those 2 screws and then lift that cover up. There's 4 screws holding the keyboard down. Go ahead and remove those 4 screws. Once those screws are removed, you can carefully lift the keyboard up. There's some tabs along the side, so carefully lift it up, pop it out of the tabs, lift the keyboard up, set it up, and then there's a cover with some screws over holding the cover down that goes over top of the keyboard connector. Remove those screws, remove that cover, and then you can get to the ribbon cable to disconnect the old keyboard. Once you have that cover off, there's sometimes a little bit of tape covering the connector. Go ahead and lift that up. And then disconnect the ribbon cable. It's just a little tab that flips up. Be careful not to break it. Remove the old ribbon cable. The keyboard ribbon cable of the old keyboard. Remove the old keyboard. Get your replacement keyboard. Slide the ribbon cable in place. And push the connector down. Go ahead and put the tape back on covering the connector. Put the keyboard connector cover back on and screw it in place. Put the keyboard back in place. Screw the screws back in place, holding the keyboard in place. Put the cover back on and screw the cover back on. Go ahead and close your computer, flip it back over, and put the last 2 screws back on, the 2 screws holding the keyboard in place from the bottom. Once that's done, you're all done with your repair. If you have any questions, any comments, any suggestions, just let us know. You can send us an email to our tech support email, which is tech_support@bobjohnson.com, or you can give us a call at our toll-free number of 877-202-7788.